Welcome back to the channel, my name's Scott, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPad 10. This is one of Apple's latest tablets and I'm super excited to check it out. This is the iPad 10 box. As you can tell, it's a pretty sleek design, just like all of Apple's packaging, so there is nothing really new there. You have the iPad logo on the front and it is super minimalistic as always. This is a great looking device. The edges are flat, it has a slim profile and a vibrant display. It definitely feels like a premium product when it's in your hands. Let's dive into the tech specs. This iPad's display comes with a 10-inch liquid retina display, which I think looks fantastic. This would be perfect for streaming or browsing or editing photos, because when you bring up a document on that thing, you are seriously looking at that document. It also supports True Tone and P3 wide color for even more accurate and immersive viewing experiences. The iPad 10 is powered by the A14 Bionic chip. That's the same Apple chip used in the iPhone 12, which is still even better than my old iPhone. So you're going to get a fast, efficient performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just using apps for drawing or design. Inside the box we have the usual USB-C charger cable and the 20-watt power adapter. No wait, we don't. That's because Apple is trying to be a little bit cheap. Another cool feature is that it supports the first gen Apple Pencil, which I have also got. So this makes this iPad perfect for anyone who's looking to do note-taking or drawing. For me, I would be using this iPad for work, so I can sign documents on the move, or I can do presentations, or if I just want to take notes while I'm in a meeting. It's going to make things look a lot more professional and also means I haven't got to type up my notes. The battery life on the iPad 10 is now up to 10 hours of battery life, which is perfect for a full day of use, whether you're working or streaming or just browsing things on the sofa. The Touch ID is built into the power button on the top, so you don't have to worry about Face ID, just a quick press and you're in. It's super fast and easy to set up. Now let's talk cameras. The iPad 10 comes with a 12 megapixel rear camera and a 12 megapixel front facing camera with center stage. This is great for video calls as it automatically adjusts the frame to keep you centered. This is super handy if you are going to be using Teams or Zoom for work. The rear camera can shoot 4K video, so if you are creating content on the move or just capturing memories, then you're going to get some serious quality as well. The iPad 10 has a fresh look with a full screen display and no home button, which really makes it look more modern. It's also available in some new colors, including blue, pink, yellow, and silver. I did almost consider buying this in pink, but I changed my mind at the last minute. So that is a quick overview of the iPad 10. The iPad is also fairly priced compared to the iPad Pro or the iPad Air. So it is perfect if you're just starting out. And that's my video on the iPad 10.